Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18, good news tayo with SB19 sa Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart. Ang standing ng SB19 sa Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart ay number 1 hits, number 5, 5 kanta. At syempre, sa top 10 hits, may 5 kantang pasok from SB19 song. Pag sinabing World Digital Song Sales Chart ay kumikita ito online sa buong mundo. First, ang Damn. Number 1 ito. Naging number 1 at nagstay sa Billboard Music Chart in 3 weeks. Medyo mahaba-haba din. Second, Umaaligid. Naging number 4. At syempre, 1 week lang nagstay sa Billboard Music Chart. Sunod, Dongka, number 7 sa World Digital Song Sales Chart at 1 week lamang nagstay sa music chart ng Billboard. Next, Gento, number 8 at 1 week lamang din nagstay sa music chart ng Billboard. At pinaka-fresh, pinaka-bago, pinaka-latest, Born with a Flame at number 9 sa kasalukuyan at 1 week nagstay sa Billboard Music Chart. 1 week at hanggang ngayon nagstay pa rin. Congratulations SB19 at thank you Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.